Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when video calls are not working on Facebook Messenger on your Android phone. So I'll walk you through several easy troubleshooting steps, starting with the most common fixes. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, before we dive into any settings, let's cover the two most common reasons for call failures. It's always best to check these first. So firstly, check your internet connection. Just simply go to your settings and then go to your Wi-Fi and just check, are you properly connected to your Wi-Fi or data? Do you have a stable signal? If you don't, try opening a web browser to see if the page is successfully loading or not. Second, try to restart the app just by closing it completely from the Recent Apps menu. And after closing the app completely, it can often fix temporary glitches as well. So all you do is simply open the application again and check if it is fixed or not. Now, if the basic fixes don't work, the next likely culprit is the app permissions. So Messenger needs permissions to use your phone's camera and microphone for video calls. Now, to check this, just simply go to your phone's main settings, and from there, just simply find Apps on your search panel.
When you find the Apps section, click on Manage Apps, where you will find the list of applications installed on your device. Look for Messenger, then open Messenger. Now, right over here, just simply go to the Permissions section, which is App Permissions. And over here, just simply see if you have given the microphone and camera permissions. If not, in my case, I have it. So just simply choose Microphone and choose Allow and do the same for camera as well. And then once you're done with this, you can go back and restart the app and see if it's fixed or not. Now next, sometimes old temporary files can also cause irregular app issues, so clear the app's cache. So what you do is simply clear the app's cache. Clearing the app's cache is a safe way to clean these types of files without deleting your login details or messages. So what you do is go back to your phone settings and find the apps. Then find App Manager. And again, just simply find Messenger and open Messenger. This time, just simply click on Clear Data at the very bottom and choose Clear Cache. Now, after it is done, try making a video call and see if the error is fixed or not. An outdated version of Messenger can have bugs that have already been fixed in the newer releases. So, it's always a good idea to make sure that your app is up to date.
What you do is simply open your Google Play Store and search for Messenger. Check if you have any type of pending update or not. If you have, simply tap on the Update button. This will instantly download the latest version of Messenger. After that, you should no longer have the same problem with your video calls. And lastly, if you've tried everything and it still doesn't work, the final step is to fully reinstall the application. This gives you a complete fresh start. So again, what you do is just simply go to your Play Store or uninstall Manager on your phone and just simply uninstall the application like you would normally do. Then once it is uninstalled, just simply wait for it to complete and do a quick fresh install again. So it might take some time to install, but once it is installed, it'll be completely fixed. So just log back in with your account and password and it will be good to go. So that's it. Going through these steps from checking your connection and permissions to reinstalling the app should solve most video call issues on Messenger. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.